Hey everyone, I'm Freddie Winter, MasterCraft team athlete, and today I'm out here at the boarding school teaching you how to slalom water ski. There are two different ways to start, so we'll go over both and have you comfortable on the water in no time. Before getting on the water, you need to determine your dominant foot. This will be your front foot on the ski. Usually this is what you kick a ball with, or your front foot for wakeboarding, surfing, skateboarding. The first option for getting balanced on one ski and learning how to slalom is to drop a ski after getting up on two. First off, make sure your non-dominant foot is loose enough in the ski for you to easily lift your heel out. We have a previous video that tells you how to get up on two skis. Once you're up and riding on the two skis, shift your weight to your dominant foot, then slide your non-dominant foot behind you while lifting your heel up and out of the boot. As you lift your toes out of the boot, the ski will be left behind. At this point, slowly move your rear foot across and place it on top of the rear binding for a second to get your balance. Once you feel ready, you can slowly put your foot into the rear binding. During this whole process, you should keep your eyes up, arms straight, and your knees slightly bent. Alternatively, we have the single ski deep water start. Positioning is really key here. When the boat pulls you out of the water, keep your shoulders square and slightly back. Allow the water to move your ski while keeping the tip in line with the boat. Let the boat, water, and rope do all the work, no pushing with the legs or pulling with your arms. The boat is stronger than you are. There's no need to stand up until you're fully on top of the water. Until that point, just hold the same position you started from in the water. Once you're up on the single ski, take some time to get comfortable with the position in between the wakes. Focus on posture and having your weight equally distributed between your feet. Make sure your knees and ankles maintain a slight forward bend. This will keep you most stable in the water. Keep your eyes focused ahead and your chest should also be up and aligned with the boat. Maintain straight shoulders while keeping your hips close to the handle. Next, let's try crossing the wake. The speed of the boat is going to give you the necessary leverage to get your ski on its edge and go from side to side. Point your knees to one side and focus on keeping your shoulders back and chest up so the speed of the boat will pull you through the wake. Keeping your knees slightly bent will also help you absorb the wake. When you're ready to turn again, point the ski tip towards the wake using your knees while keeping your hips forward and chest up. Comfort comes with practice. Eventually you should start focus on linking your wake crossings and completing a series of slow, smooth turns. Try to maintain rope tension throughout your turns. Now that you have two options for getting up and riding on a single ski, be sure to give them a try and have fun with your newfound slalom skills. If any questions come up, please feel free to reach out to us on any of our social platforms. Thank you for joining us today and for being a part of the MasterCraft family.